In this quick and easy Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to put a transparent logo on a picture in Photoshop. This can be done very easily. What I have here, I have a PNG, this is my logo, and here is a background, a picture with a laptop. And let's try to put our background in the bottom right hand corner and make it transparent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in the bottom right hand corner by holding Alt and using the mouse wheel. And now let's select from the layers our logo and place it right here. Also, let's use the guiding lines. If you want to use them, you can press Ctrl and R to enable or to disable them. And now as you have them, let's drag and drop some arrows from here. And I think if I have 180 pixels, I will go to 980 pixels. Let's zoom in even more and put it at 980. Okay, this is the best I could. And now let's do the opposite. Let's drag another guiding line. I have 1920 pixels, so let's go to 1820 pixels around here. Yeah, it's perfect, why not? And now let's select the logo once again and place it in the best position possible. And also you can leave the guiding lines right there because when you are going to export the photo, they will not be seen. And now let's make our logo transparent. Once again, select it, click on it, and you'll find opacity here. Let's drag it a little bit to the left, maybe 50%, it's okay. Let's have a look. Alt, Shift, Ctrl and W to export the photo, and looks okay. Let's decrease it even more, maybe to 40. Or 35. Okay, now it's even better. So this is how to make a transparent logo on a picture in Photoshop. Thank you for watching and bye bye.